Hey guys, I owe a big sorry to you that you've been subscribed to my channel.
Multipanos, multipanos, multipanos,
It's been 2 years that I've created this channel, and I've promised that every week I'm gonna put a travel video and all of these things, but actually a lot of things happened to my life and I've traveled a lot. I've been lazy too, video editing and all of this. I'm not gonna explain myself a lot, but I've been lazy and busy. I've lost the consistency of my channel. Actually now it's coronavirus time. Everywhere in the world we are in quarantine. I've decided to make episodes every week. I'm gonna post like my daily life here. That's why I'm here. I'm gonna show you, this is my attic. I'm in Cyprus in my family house. But before telling you this, I'm gonna tell you a bit how the channel is gonna go. I'm not promising anything. I just hope this time is gonna work because I have a friend, he wants to video edit my videos. Half of them are gonna be edited by him. So the ones that you've been following me for some time now, I've been posting now and then like my backpacking in Asia that happened 2 years ago. I had long hair at that time. I'm gonna still be posting those until they finish and until I bring up to date everything that happened to my life these 2 years. I'm gonna be doing it as a diary because it can't be a vlog anymore. I cannot be editing vlogs that happened 2 years ago. It's a bit not so, I don't know, it's not now, it doesn't have the same feeling. So every week there is gonna be that one, every Saturday. And every Wednesday I'm gonna be posting my day life here, trying to fix this attic. And not only this, I'm gonna be telling you about all the other stuff that happened and what I'm doing right now, because it's really interesting. I have a Greek travel page. I managed to collect, I don't know, put 9 people together. My idea is to make the biggest travel platform in Greece and Cyprus. So it's gonna be Greek related, like it's gonna be Greek talking and everything. But I'm gonna be slowly telling you all about it. Some quick things after the travel backpacking in Asia. It's gonna be like my lifestyle back home. Then I went back to travel again. If you want to watch the first video of, in the channel, would be great, so you can understand the whole thing what I'm talking about. And then last year I got selected as a YouTube traveler. It was a travel documentary about connecting the world through friendship.
Η ελβετική εταιρεία YouTube, που στα ιαπωνικά σημαίνει φιλία, διοργάνωσε ένα διαγωνισμό, όπου έλαβαν μέρος 30.000 άτομα από 167 χώρες και διάλεξαν 5. Ο Παναγιώτης από την Κύπρο, ο Τζετ από την Νότια Αφρική, ο Τζον από την Ινδία, η Πάολα από τη Νέα Ζηλανδία και ο Τζόι από τις Ηνωμένες Πολιτείες Αμερικής. Οι 5 μας, μαζί με την Ιβώνα από την Ελβετία, η οποία είναι ένα από τα μέλη της εταιρείας, θα ταξιδέψουμε για 100 μέρες με έναν φανταστικό σκοπό. Ο σκοπός του ταξιδιού είναι να αποδείξουμε πως όλοι οι άνθρωποι είμαστε συνδεδεμένοι με τη φιλία.
Και πώς θα το κάνουμε αυτό?
Θα χωριστούμε σε 2 ομάδες των 3. Εγώ, ο Τζετ και η Ιβόν θα πάμε δυτικά προς την Αμερική. Ο Τζον, η Πάολα και ο Τζόι θα πάνε ανατολικά προς την Ασία. Θα ξανασυναντηθούμε στον κοινό μας προορισμό, το Τόκιο της Ιαπωνίας.
Υπάρχει όμως ένας μεγάλος όρος. Πρέπει πάντα να μας φιλοξενεί κάποιος φίλος από τον προηγούμενο φίλο που μας φιλοξένησε.
Για παράδειγμα, αν μας φιλοξενήσει ο Λούλης στο Παρίσι, για να πάμε πιο δυτικά, π.χ. Βαρκελόνη, πρέπει να πάμε σε κάποιο φίλο του Λούλη. Ας πούμε πως είναι ο Τάκη. Για να πάμε πιο δυτικά, π.χ. Νέα Υόρκη, πρέπει να πάμε σε κάποιο φίλο του Τάκη. Και πάει λέγοντας. Δεν ξέρει κανείς τη διαδρομή μέχρι να μάθουμε ποιος είναι ο επόμενος φίλος. Με αυτόν τον τρόπο θα φτιάξουμε μία αλυσίδα φιλίας γύρω από όλο τον πλανήτη. Θα αποδείξουμε το πόσο σημαντική είναι η φιλία και το ότι στα αλήθεια δεν είμαστε συνδεδεμένοι μόνο στον διαδικτυακό αλλά και στον αληθινό κόσμο.
I've traveled for 100 days and it was an amazing experience. Then I came back and I was chosen from European Union to travel for a month and a half with a van from Ireland to Cyprus.
Η Ευρωπαϊκή Ένωση διάλεξε εμάς παρουσιαστή μέσα από διαγωνισμό για το πρόγραμμα Road Trip Project.
Με το Road Trip Project, η Ευρωπαϊκή Ένωση προσπαθεί να προβάλλει επιτυχημένες ιστορίες οι οποίες αλλάζουν προς το καλύτερο την κοινωνία. Μικρές επιχειρήσεις που κάνουν κάτι το διαφορετικό. Πανέμορφα εθνικά πάρκα και κτίρια τα οποία είναι πολιτιστική κληρονομιά και πρέπει να προστατευτούν. Όλα αυτά έχουν έναν κοινό. Χρηματοδοτούνται από την Ευρωπαϊκή Ένωση και χωρίς την οικονομική αυτή βοήθεια δεν θα είχαν επιτυχία. Εγώ και ακόμα 3 νέοι ταξιδέψαμε με ένα βαν από την Ιρλανδία μέχρι την Κύπρο για να δείξουμε στον κόσμο τι χρηματοδοτεί η Ευρωπαϊκή Ένωση.
And then I went back to Asia, I tried to teach English. Never mind, it's been a long time and now I'm back in Cyprus anyway. I'm back in Cyprus, broke, as always, broke, and I'm gonna be trying to make this great because I love doing videos, and I've left my YouTube back there because, you know, I'm always thinking like, okay, I should be doing editing and posting every week so it has consistency, but actually I never did it. And I don't want to be like, you know, I'm not perfect, it's okay, but I want to make it in this YouTube world because I think I'm good at this, and I don't want to do something else. I want to do videos and I want to create stories, and I became way better on filming and everything, and you're gonna see my, how to say, like my growth. I'm gonna show you my growth, how I grew, not in the economic way, because economic way it's bad, but like all the other stuff was pretty good, and I had like one of the most amazing experiences these last 2 years, and I've been really glad. And now that we are in the coronavirus time, I'm just watching back, and it's like crazy what I did. It's crazy. I'm just 24 now, and I'm turning 25 in August. It's a big sorry to you that you followed me at the beginning. You know, I was so, how to say, not selfish, I was not grateful. I've done my first video and it got like 3,000 something views, like my first video, and I was like, oh, that's nothing, because on Facebook, on my Facebook page, the Greek page, I was like, oh, I get thousands, like 10,000s, 20,000s, 15,000, 6,000 all the time. So I was like, oh, this is nothing in YouTube. So I was not giving it any attention, and I was posting a video everywhere, and I was getting 1,000, 2,000, and I was not grateful for that. People that start on YouTube don't have these views, and I was not grateful. And then I was slowly putting video, and then I was not consistent at all, and at some point I got like 3 months to post a video, and it was a vlog, like a next episode that happened 2 years ago now. I was not grateful for what I was receiving from YouTube, and that was bad, because I actually was in a really good point of creating something, and I just left it there. But I think it's gonna happen. I think I have the potential to become a YouTuber. But not only this, it's like a really nice story that I will tell you slowly. I just want to tell you sorry. Yeah, and I hope I'm gonna make it cool this time. So never mind. You're gonna know me even better and better every week. I'm gonna be posting like this home video, and I'm gonna be telling you a lot of stuff. I don't know how it's gonna happen, but let me show you now the attic. How it's crazy, this attic, and I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna make it like maybe my YouTube studio, maybe just a living room, I don't know. I just feel the need to do something because I'm always on Netflix, you know, like it's been the lockdown so many days, and I've been on the Netflix like 4 days in a row, and I'm like a zombie, waking up, eating, and then on the Netflix, like watching, taking my dog for a walk, and then watching, and it's just so addictive, and you go into this life of the series, and you just want to watch the next episode. So I'm not watching any series anytime soon. I just want to do this. I just want to video edit because I have so much content and so many ideas, and I have even like 9 people waiting for me to do something for the Greek travel blog, and if that succeeds, it's in a really good point to start making money after the coronavirus lockdown and stuff, because now we cannot sell anything. But after that, I think it's gonna be really successful, and if this is gonna be successful, I want to share my story with you. Yeah, there's a lot of things, but I'm not gonna go into all of this. I just wanted you to see me, I wanted to speak to you, because I never did something like this on my YouTube. I always wanted to just speak to you, but I never did it because I was always in my mind, oh, I have to edit this and post this, and then I will make this, and then, and I was always procrastinating, lazy, then busy, then I didn't have time, then boom, nothing happened to my YouTube channel. So now I'm gonna give it like I'm gonna make it a priority. It's the first time I'm gonna make it a priority, and I'm not gonna be crying for views. 50 views, that's cool. 90 views, that's cool. 100 views, that's even more cool. 20, 30, 40, 100,000, amazing. Imagine, it's gonna be so beautiful when I'm gonna have this. But never mind. Let me show you the attic now. Because you're watching all this time now. I'm gonna put it at the beginning of the next episode too, but let me show you a bit the attic, how it's gonna be, what I'm gonna try to fix. So here it is, look at it. It's a big mess. Like, you know, all of the things we had from my family. Look, all these things. This attic we have it like 8 years now. There is even a tiger there. Wow. This will bring me so many memories. I will talk you. Even this has memories for me. This I was like 13 years old and I wanted to decorate my house like a Greek, ancient Greek thing, and I bought this like 1 year and then I make it blue. Whatever. Woo! I broke it. There is some whatever musical instruments that I never learned them. There is a lot of but there's a lot of stuff that I can keep and a lot of stuff that I can fix, and I never did something like this. There is some retro stuff too that I don't know, I think I'm gonna make it this a really cool place. There is a potential, I think. So guys, if you watched this video, thank you for watching it. Sorry for not being consistent and being the YouTuber that I wanted to be. And I hope now I'm gonna entertain you as much as possible. I really wanna do this. Believe me, I really wanna do this. And if I succeed at some point, watch my first video. Believe me, watch my first video and you are gonna understand my brain. So, even though I had long hair at that time, I don't know, does it matter? Never mind. It's been 10 minutes now, I've been talking like non-stop. See you in the next video. On Saturday, it's gonna be a travel video for me and Mom.